enough to change his family's life. But that means 50 days inside. The blackout twist. When the lights die, just as Alex finds his rhythm, the power goes out. Jimmy forgets to switch the store's utilities to his name. Freezers shut down, lights go dark, and everything perishable becomes a ticking time bomb. Alex races against the clock to sell hot dogs and cheese sticks before they spoil. Through it all, he remains just one man, in a grocery store, fighting for his family. Midpoint, day 30, a surprise visit. On day 30, Mr. Beast drops a bombshell. Alex's wife and kids walk through the doors. There are tears, laughter, toy race cars, and hugs that feel like salvation. But the moment fades too quickly. When they leave, the silence is even heavier. That visit wasn't a reward, it was a reminder of everything he's missing. The walls close in, emotional decline,